Last week, we provided an important update on our federal CARES dollars. To date, we've invested nearly $2 billion in federal CARES funding to support our state's response to this pandemic. We've expanded testing, assisted more than 13,000 households pay rent, provided direct aid to more than 15,000 farmers. We've invested in our tourism, lodging, and entertainment industries that have been hit really hard. And last week announced a $131 million aimed at addressing healthcare worker shortages and helping create capacity in Wisconsin hospitals and skilled nursing facilities. In addition to these investments, last week we also announced 42 Wisconsin organizations providing care to school-age kids during the pandemic will be receiving $6.6 million of CARES funds. These organizations are absolute lifelines for working families, and this investment will allow them to continue their good work providing quality programming and a safe place to go for kids across our state. Finally, we announced another $70 million investment in our We're All In small business grant program, bringing the total funding available in the second round to $120 million and our overall investment in our local small businesses to $185 million. While we continue to do everything we can to support businesses, farmers, and families across our state, I'll say again, as I've said before, our CARES dollars expire at the end of the year. That means our testing efforts, our contact tracing, and our support for folks across our state will be affected if we don't get additional federal resources. We need urgent action from Congress now to provide more support for our state's response to this pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected nearly every aspect of our lives, from how we learn and work to how we grocery shop, and the holiday season will be no different. Wisconsin's Main Street businesses are the hearts of our communities, the catalysts of local economies, and the livelihoods of so many Wisconsinites. The We're All In grant program provides small businesses up to $5,000 grants to be used however they need to combat the effects of the pandemic, but you can also help as well. For many small businesses, the holiday season is a major source of their income. And this weekend, we will be kicking off the holiday shopping season with Black Friday and Small Business Saturday. So we're encouraging everyone to shop small, shop local, and shop safely using curbside pickup or online shopping. You can find shops in your area on the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation website at mainstreetwi.com. And this week, as many celebrate Thanksgiving across our state, I want to remind Wisconsinites to celebrate safely, to stay smart, and follow all the recommendations from public health experts. Avoid gatherings with people you don't live with. Get together virtually and ensure your loved ones instead. It's important to note that a negative test is not a free pass to host or attend gatherings. A negative test today does not guarantee a negative test tomorrow, and you could very well test negative one day and spread the virus to your family the next day. So if you're planning to spend Thanksgiving with people outside of your household, we urge you to seriously reconsider. We all must make short-term sacrifices for our long-term health. None of us wants to be the one to unwittingly spread this virus to somebody we love or host the next super spreader event we hear about in the news. As you consider your options for Thursday, please make the hard choices. We also know that for so many Wisconsinites, the holiday season can be a difficult time of year, even under normal circumstances. But this year has been especially difficult, so it's important that we all take care of our mental and emotional well-being. First, remember to make time for self-care, whether that's taking time to relax, doing something for someone else, trying something new, or getting some fresh air. Second, check in on your people, whether that's talking on a phone or connecting over Zoom. It's a great time to reach out and connect with somebody you haven't heard from in a while. Finally, know that it's okay not to be okay, and you are not alone. I care about you and the people around you too also. No matter your age or situation, there are resources available. Text HOPELINE to 741-741 for free emotional support services that can provide help and hope to those who need it the most. You can also call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline at 1-800-273-8255. And online, you can visit resilient.wisconsin.gov for more resources. It's okay to ask for help. In fact, it's more than okay. It can make a real difference for you and for your loved ones. We'll get through this together. So stay healthy, stay safe, and have a happy Thanksgiving, Wisconsin. I'll now turn things over to Secretary-Designee Andrea Palm for her update. Take it away, Andrea.
Thank you, Governor. Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining us again today. First, let me echo what Governor Evers just said. It is okay to ask for help. It's always okay to ask for help, whether or not we are in a pandemic. And making sure we check in on loved ones who may be struggling is so important right now. Please reach out, because help is available. Governor Evers declared yesterday as a day to thank those in public health. And so I want to say thank you to our healthcare workers, to the staff at our local and tribal health departments, and to my incredible colleagues at DHS. They have sacrificed so much during this pandemic, and I am so grateful for their dedication to the health and safety of the residents of this state. I know this hasn't been easy, and we're not done yet, but they have all risen to every challenge, and I know that is what they will continue to do. So thank you for all your work over the past 9 months and in the months to come. In the spirit of the governor's proclamation, the best way we can say thank you to the healthcare and public health workers in our state is to stay home, wear a mask, physically distance, and wash our hands. When we each take the necessary steps to prevent transmission of COVID-19, we help flatten the curve. And that helps take pressure off our straining hospitals and nursing homes. With the current state of the pandemic here in Wisconsin, the most effective action we can take is to stay home. To be clear, that includes individuals who have tested negative. A negative test, as the governor just said, is just a snapshot in time. It means the test did not detect COVID-19 when it was administered. However, considering the incubation time for COVID-19, the virus may become detectable at a later time, and of course, a negative test does not prevent future infection. A negative test is not a free pass. If you receive one, please continue to stay home and monitor for symptoms. I want to give you an update on our numbers today, so here's where things stand. There are now 363,973 confirmed cases of COVID-19 here in Wisconsin. That's an increase of 6,202 over yesterday's report. Our 7-day average of new daily cases is 5,732. 1 month ago, our average was 4,378, and 2 months ago, it was 1,888. Our total deaths have now reached 3,115, which means we've reported an additional 104 Wisconsinites have lost their lives to COVID-19 since our report yesterday. This is the highest number of reported deaths in a single day that we've had, and our thoughts are with the families and friends of those we have lost. Our situation in Wisconsin is only going to get better if we all take steps together to change the course of this pandemic. Please stay home. Do not gather with folks that you don't live with. Going to a friend or a relative's house or hosting a dinner, even for Thanksgiving, are risks that we cannot afford to take as a state. So please celebrate with the people you live with. Thank you for doing your part.